Hello everyone. Unfortunately, we are having website issues, so I got to make this video quick. I don't know. I'm just beside myself with our host. I'm so over it. Anyway, the market retook the 15,200-day moving average on the Nasdaq. That means once again our model switches to neutral. Unbelievable. The Russell 2000 is still under a sell signal. Dow Jones Industrial Average is switching back to a neutral signal. S&P 500 is switching back to a neutral signal. V-shaped moves, volatile moves, choppy moves, low volume moves. It's a gigantic mess out there. Don't look too much into it. We're going to need to see some stocks consolidate and this market consolidate. This is just absolute nonsense. I have two new long positions. One is regular good, cancel quality, LGND, pocket pivot point signal breakout. I want to get long around the 110 area, not where it's at right now. I know it's cutting hairs, but I just don't care anymore. This has been a terrible December, and it's culminating now with my website going down today as I'm trying to update my site before I actually have to leave to do something, so I won't be able to get back till later on. But WB, that is also another ad signal, pocket pivot point signal as it begins to break out. That's a 1% ad signal. And then soda is a new long 1% signal. Gapped up here. It's held those earnings, that gap up. I don't even know if it's earnings. I don't have time right now to look. But it's a good move today. Strong move, heavier volume. All of the, our support areas are pretty clear cut. The recent December lows, final sell stop. So soda 1%, WB 1%, LGND 2%, and then UVXY is a 50% sell with that hard volume close below the 50-day moving average, basically leaving me flat. Another quarter of it was taken off earlier today for gains, and then another quarter was taken off later today for losses. Basically flat overall. Flagged a lot of stocks. Nothing's really working out for me right now. BRZU looks like it's potentially bottoming, so nice little move off the lows there. It's got positive confirmation in its technical indicators, as recently they're all hitting higher lows compared to their most recent lows, but it isn't huge divergence, but possibly Brazil's bottoming. Also TYL, NVO, GIS, flag those also, but overall it's choppy out there. It's volatile. The rallies are always V-shaped. I don't know how anybody can be bullish here and trust this rally. And anybody that was calling the bottom 3 days ago, I don't give a damn what they're saying. There is no way that this is the kind of rally. Oh yeah, I told you the lows were 3 days ago. There is no way in hell you can know that, especially with this is just a giant mess, guys. This is disgusting year. The VVIX is kind of proving that, as you can see how it's gotten more and more volatile overall, despite the VIX really getting too extreme. So I don't know. It's a mess, guys. Be careful out there. Cash is still king. LG&D is nice. There's some other medical stocks out there, but overall, it's a mess. We're going to have to clean it up. It's going to take some time. Sorry, everybody. Got to cut this short. I've got some issues on my end with the website.